vile champion. Nyauyu, nyau.
Okay, why is it that we're going to the lodge?
Miss, I told you, I want you to check out something.
So, lodge. I'm not still comfortable being here.
But look, when I was telling you we should hang out, I was going to discuss about you and me. Ujeza. So the place means a lodge. Lodge and Hamajeza. Now, the judges have a zoo and then go back. Just you have just spend some good time. We talk. There's food here. I know you like eating.
I'm not feeling comfortable, but anyways.
It's all right.
Alo, aziti kama kupembani manaba phone watu tikuti tibakala tikukufunani kusichepeza kwanu maona apa ndikupulumusa tatipeseni kuloji. Tabwera ni kuloji pompano palingani koma mubwera uko sekato tati mungoyenda chivuka ngani yoziya ulele. Mukubwera mwakami. Abazi ndipese. Ndise kudikira nditu. Tabwera.
We're here. I'm coming just for a second.
Okay.
Just wait.
All right.
So I say, I've just booked this place for us in Karime. We can go just chilling a little bit.
Pemphero. Space or a room? What are we doing, Lodge? No. Kutafika Lodge, I asked you in the first place, what are we doing, Lodge? There's a restaurant here, there's a bar here. Why is it that you don't want to go to the restaurant when there's a room?
Look, it's the same thing.
It's not the same thing.
Look, you don't have money zero. More on, and what I'm saying is, if you go to the bar or the restaurant, I'm trying to be at recognize. I know you like food, but the food is going to come. That was what I'm going. So it's quite space. It's behind. There's a nice car park here.
No, I'm not feeling comfortable.
Why?
I'm not feeling comfortable. I don't go in that room. Pemphero, if you want to bring the chair outside, we'll sit outside. If you want space, air will be outside. When I'm not going in that room, I'm a virgin. I don't want to lose my virginity. I'm not ready.
Nyauyu, are you getting what I'm saying?
I'm getting what you're saying.
I don't mean any harm. I'm not trying to break your virginity. But right here it's quite.
I know that you're famous. I know that you're famous. When Pemphero, you and I have been talking. We've been friends on the phone for a long time by Facebook. This is the first time we're meeting. And then you are organize and you go to room out of all the places. Room.
What did you know? I'm getting what you're saying. What I'm saying is, we need to chat. But we can't get to know each other better.
What kind of? I need to know the kind of conversation I'm going to have inside there.
Like I said, I don't mean any harm. I'm not trying to break your virginity. You're keeping your virginity intact.
What is it that you want?
It's not.
Madam Taloa. Ndi madabu ati kuti ndani wangu fikira kugwira office yanga.
Kai.
Tazwelatu. Yetu kukalingani koma muvunika mutuoneke na kaka.
I don't have money.
Inezo I don't have a story. I don't have a story.
Okay.
No money, no story.
Okay.
I doesn't have money, Molinas. Koma no zao sande soni. Ai, in international guard to thin local gelo ngati utaojesera ndala.
Okay.
Pamene ponde mwaita. Muende straight. Uzogoloko. Amuna no aluza pamene pandika kasi. Amuna zigali moto yao ndio vila mwa bulu. Yapita kumene. Ndikukulovirira kuti mwafala so Sunday kuti mwakoseka chifo mufunika mukamenyaneko kumene. Afunika akati bulani. Mukati bulani.
You know, I'm trying to get to know you. And this is the best time for me to get to know you.
Pemphero, please, there's supposed to be space here. I'm ovulating. Don't tempt me.
No, I'm just trying, you know. Let's just have it. Come on. All I'm trying to say is,
yeah, Pemphero,
this is the best time for you and I to get to know each other.
So you want us to know each other? Not room, Pemphero, out of all the places.
Nanga kapagula is one about how do we chat?
I want to go home.
It's not going to work.
What is happening here? What is going on? Give me the keys.
Pemphero.
Give me the keys.
Babe.
Get out of the car.
Babe. No,
Who is she?
Babe,
No.
Anyway.
No. Give me the keys.
We are working together. It's just
Pemphero, working with who? To Granjira Mtunduri. We are not working together. What kind of work are you talking about?
You told
Calm
me
down.
you're going to watch football and now you're here.
No. Ketura.
Give me the keys.
No. Ketura.
Give me the keys.
Pemphero.
You're not getting it.
Hi, my
Look.
friend. Get out of the car.
No. Come on, babe. Hey. She's just a friend, okay?
Oh, wait. Wait.
Hey, it's just. Hey.
Excuse me. What are you doing with my husband? Hey. Excuse me.
Hey, no, Ketura.
Excuse me.
No, please.
Take your bag and get out of here.
Please.
Wait. Let's go and talk home.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you think that I'm going to go home, Bem. I'm not going home past Bingaji. I don't have transport money. You guys are going to drop me. Mademoiselle, are you not good?
My friend.
Listen, you
My
understand?
friend.
It's not like I cannot fight you back. I respect this, whatever this. So I cannot. You are going to drop me home. There's no way and go home past Bingaji. Why is it that you're fighting me instead of you fighting your husband?
You know what? What are you doing?
I respect you. I'm not fighting with you because I respect whatever that is happening right now. But then you have to drop me home.
You know what?
Drop me home.
No, listen. She's not my business. You are my business.
No, let's just get out of here. Please.
I don't want to lose my
please.
virginity.
Hey.
God has saved
Hey,
me.
it's okay. Let's just get out of here, please. No, listen. Please.
Let's get to know each other better. Now, why I don't lose my virginity? God has saved me.
Osatibulana, osatinyana. Tikanaonela ya ulele goma. Tikanaonela cho ya ulele. Wena tibwana bali tukanikiasi. Ula ndo pesa hii.
Are you ready for the champion girl? International village champion girl.